Welcome back to the Sand and Track YouTube channel. Today's video is on how to remove the rear door panel on the Mitsubishi Pajero. You'll need the trim opener to start to remove the trim on the handle, and then next use the trim opener or a screwdriver to pull the plug for the window switch. Simply just make it loose. There are clips on the sides. Carefully just take it out, and there's a connector at the bottom that you have to disconnect. And then around the door handle there is a plastic trim that you just have to simply pull on and it will come out. And next up, use a screwdriver to take out the screws around. So that was the first one near the door handle. There's a second one here, third one there. So start to remove the screws one by one. It's as simple as this. And then take out the next screw. Once it's out, you can start to simply pull at the panel. So you use your hand to take the plastic trims out. There are a bunch of clips. And then you start to pull at the panel upwards and towards you, and it will come out. Now, before you can take the panel completely away from you, you need to disconnect the light. Just simply turn the light around. That will come out. And there's a connector for the plug for the automatic door lock mechanism. So you simply just disconnect that and the panel comes out, and that's it. If you found this video to be useful, please do subscribe and like this video. Thank you.